Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. On this channel I create content on business ideas, different tutorials and lifestyle. My goal on this channel is to provide you multiple streams of passive income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. So if you're a new subscriber and this sounds like something interesting to you, please go ahead and join the team today by subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here again. So today I brought you a very good news, something sweet today. This is for dropshippers and business owner, both local and international dropshippers. Today I'll be sharing an app which provides you with real winning products. When I say winning products, these are products that are trending, like they have high conversion rate, like they provide you with hot products that are on the move. So if this sounds like something interesting to you, please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So the name of the app is Sell the Trend. Yeah, Sell the Trend. Sell the Trend is a one-in-all dropshipping solution which helps in providing dropshippers with real winning products. I mean, products that have high demands in market. As a business owner, as a dropshipper, you don't need to worry about if this product is moving fast, if this is a hot selling product. Sell the Trend is your number one solution in providing you with hot selling, like fast moving product. One of the things I love about Sell the Trend is that it gives you all the necessary information about the product and how well that product is performing in market. Guys, let's get right into the review. So guys, I'm logging into my browser now. So from there you type Sell the Trend. Sell the Trend. Then we click enter. So because I've been on the browser before, it's brought it out, so I'll just click on login to Sell the Trend. So this is, I'll just sign in, I'll just log in. So this is my sign-in details because I've saved my login details on it. So if you're just coming across the site for the first time, you have to sign up, like sign up with your email, put in your username, your password. So I'll just go ahead and log in. Okay, so this is what we have. This is like the dashboard of what we have. It says available product is 7,916,511. This is actually a new account. You can see Nexus trending products. These are actually some of the trending products. So I'll just go right here. Like we can see on the screen, Nexus hot products. Here we can see trending products that are on the rise, that gradually the artificial intelligence is checking that, oh, this product, there's something about this product is I started trending. Then we have the new products here. We have all products, we have all stores, Amazon, Shopify products, Shopify store. This app is all encompassing. Yes, if you have a Shopify store, please, you can go ahead and link it. If you have AliExpress store, you can link it together with these. And this is actually a good replacement for Obelo. So let's go to trending. So before we go to trending, I want you to look at this product. Even as a business owner, okay, like somebody who is not into dropshipping, this particular app is something you should be on the lookout for. Yes, because it gives you all trending products. You can be like, oh, I'm not a dropshipper, I import directly myself. This is actually a solution. Let's take a look at this nano tape. Even as a business owner, this is something you actually need to provide you with real selling product, like products that have high demands in market. So look at this. We found this 8 months ago. Last added to a store was 29 days ago. Look at here. This particular product has had 36,642 orders. Total sales is $354.817. Product cost is $0.21. Can you see 60 of suppliers? And this is the selling price. Can you see $9.68? And this is the profit margin here. It's actually a good profit margin. 8 stores selling, then 3.5 review. It actually has a great review. So let's look at the charts. Can you see the real trends chart? December 330 orders within a month and a half. Look at what we have here. We have about 2,000 plus orders. Kept on going like that. Orders, can you see, increased to 7,000 plus. Can you see? So in total 10,765 orders. Like, it's actually a good product. So let's go right here, the second icon here. So look at what we have. So I'll just go ahead to trending products. I want to know products that are currently trending, not old products. Can you see what we have here? So there are different hot trending products here. Like, look at this, the same nano tape is here. We have this peach heart shape letter necklace. We have this amazing frame for spouses. We have this here. We have this wristwatch. We have this magnetic USB cable fast charging type C cable magnet charger. I know that this particular product, this is actually a new product, and I know that it's going to trend so well. So let's go for the product research. Let's use this particular product as example. So can you see total orders of all tracked AliExpress stores, including refunds and adjustments? In sales, this particular product has over $677.395, and this is just the product cost. This particular product has a high profit margin. The product cost itself is just about $1. Can you see the selling price is about $13.75? Like, look at the profit margin here. Just 2 suppliers and just 5 stores selling. Look at the ratings, 3.2, very good. So let's look at the trends here. July, in fact, this is something you can easily jump on. Look at here, July, just a month ago, July 24, less than a month ago. Oh my god, it had about 33,000 orders, 33,000 plus orders within 4 days. Look at it, within 4 days, about 4,000. Within July 28th to July 31st, look at what we have here. So it kept on increasing that way, like in a day you get as much as within 4 days as much as 4,000 plus order. He kept on rising. Look at here, August 12, it went up to 45,000. Total orders went up to 45,000. And look at what we have. It still at its peak, it hasn't even declined. It's currently at 47,000 plus orders. This is something great. It shows you everything. It shows you the other trends. Can you see? It shows you the other trend. It shows you the store trends. Can you see the price? Look at the ratings. Look at the reviews. Very good review, great reviews. You can spy into some of the ads on Facebook. Look at, you can find on Amazon, you can find on YouTube different tutorials. You can also create a video of this particular product just to advertise to people. Product is selling on 5 stores and it has low competition. Product is not oversaturated in market. Can usually gives you the full knowledge of that product. It gives you how that product is performing in market. Good amount of orders. Product has 49,000 plus orders. It's saying that tight profit margins. Product has a slim profit margin of $12.72. If planning to sell, you add shipping or include upsells, cross sells to increase profitability. Even when there is a slim profit margin, it gives you a solution to how you can handle that. Not a new product added to sell the trends over 8 months ago, but currently this product is performing great in market. So here are the selling stores. Here are the stores currently selling them. Can you see? Just 5. Then we have just two suppliers on AliExpress. You can actually integrate your stores on Shopify and AliExpress directly, and this is just, you can just click this and add this directly to your store. Just click this add to store and it adds. Can you see? It's going to add it directly to your store. And something about this, look at this, they also have a live chat here that you can chat with the customer team, with the customer representative team. This is basically how to go about trending, how to discover trending products, winning products. So yeah, it gives us products on the rise. So these are currently products that are on the rise. Here are the new products. These are new products on the site. These are the new products, and these are hot stores. These are the shops with high selling product, fast selling products. So let's get right here. So here we have the AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping. This space shows every AliExpress product we are tracking, complete with trend points chart. You can sort product below to find the right product to add to your store based on your niche. The chart on this page shows orders, so you're looking for chart that's accelerating up, showing more buying excitement. This is for CJ Dropshipping. Once you link your AliExpress store or CJ Dropshipping directly, once you integrate any of the stores directly to sell the trends, you can complete your order directly from here. It's just a one-click order fulfillment. So let's come here. You can import directly from Shopify. You can synchronize your settings. So this is where you this is whenever you have an order, this is where you get your order. This is like, you can see one-click order fulfillment. This will actually allow you to save tons of time while processing order. It's just like it's just a one-click order fulfillment. You can connect your stores here, your AliExpress store, your Shopify store. Just connect your stores here and save yourself time. Yes. So let's come here. So this is where you can create videos for your advertisements. Yes, you can watch this video to get more information, this tutorial. So you have the option of creating a video for your advertisements here. You can choose your own, you can choose to use your own image. You can choose image option directly. You can select text, select your music, select seconds per image. You can create your videos here. So here, if you need tutorials on how to navigate your way through, you can come here for tutorials. So this is the Success Academy. These are what this particular one consists. You can contact them directly. You can join their private group, like on Facebook, follow them on Instagram, on Twitter. If you have any question, you have anything you want to speak with the live chat team, you can send it here. This is a message option that you can request help here. If you need help with anything, just go here and request for help. You'll be attended to. This option right here, the Google icon, you can click on it. This is a Chrome extension import. You can import from AliExpress and A.I Dropshipping. See, you can add to Chrome here. So you can see, you can read here, add extension. I just added the Google Chrome extension. Adding to my Chrome already. You can even choose, you can also choose to remove from Chrome. It has added the Chrome extension directly. So you can see the options here. You have your AliSave, your AliExpress here. You have the Shopify here. You have different options here. For this particular site, you have 7 days free trial. Go right to the site and sign up. And the subscription is about $40 monthly. So you're going to get value for every penny you spend on the site. So if you have any experience using the store already, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you in other videos I have on this channel. I'll link them right up here. You'll find some of the links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I love you.